we'll guide you through how to deploy FastAPI on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button on the dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can import your FastAPI project. Make sure your project is hosted on a platform like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Connect your preferred platform to Vercel by authorizing the integration. After connecting, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the FastAPI project you want to deploy. Next, you'll be taken to the project configuration page. Here, you need to ensure that the root directory is set correctly to where your FastAPI app is located. Then, in the build and output settings, set the build command to pip install -r requirements.txt and unicorn your Modulane app. Replace your Modulane with the actual module name of your FastAPI app. For the output directory, you can leave it as the default, which is typically fine. Click Deploy and Vercel will start building your FastAPI app. This process might take a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a production deployment message. Click on the link provided to view your deployed FastAPI app live. Make sure everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues, check the Vercel logs for any build errors or deployment issues. And that's how you deploy your FastAPI app to Vercel quickly and efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.